and that topic is expanded form and short form. Today's topic is expanded form and short form. Expanded. Can you tell me the meaning expanded? एक्सपेंड करना किसी चीज को, एक्सपेंड मतलब उसको बहुत बड़ा करना. एंड शॉर्ट फॉर्म, शॉर्ट मतलब इफ समथिंग इज वेरी बिग देन वी हैव टू शॉर्ट इन दैट, हम उसको शॉर्ट कर देंगे. प्रथम, प्रणव एंड अलंकृति, ओपन योर वीडियो. After writing down today's date, that is July 21, 2020, and you will be writing CW, that means classwork, in your right corner, and the heading in the first line at the center. The heading is expanded form. Expand. I have told you the meaning of expand. Expand means किसी चीज को elaborate करना. To elaborate something, to write something in detail. That is known as expanded form. So my dear bacha, this is your classwork. Then in the next line, you will be writing ones, tens, hundreds. That means HTO. Please write down. And you are having gray line in your notebook. ऐसी आपकी line होती है. Line के left side, आप you will be writing A. Then write down HTO. Under H, you will be writing 4. Under T, you will be writing 5. And under O, you will be writing 2. So beta, where is 4? 4 किधर है? 4 कहाँ पे है? 4 है H के नीचे. Where? H. And what does H stands for? H किसके लिए stand करता है? H means 100. You already know the spelling of 100? HUNDREDS. Hundreds. Why? 4. Yesterday we have done singular and plural. One and more than one. So अगर हम 1 से ज्यादा बात करते हैं, so we always put S, my dear. So this is hundreds. 4 hundreds. The thing you have to keep in your mind is the number will be number only. See, 4 is written as 4 only. I have not written the spelling. 5 is numeric 5. 2 is again numeric 2. But the spelling, that means HTO वाला जो part है, hundreds, tens, ones, you have to write down the spelling of that. How? See, 4. मैम क्या लिखेंगी सबसे पहले? 4. 4 हम ऐसे ही कॉपी कर लेंगे. 4 कहाँ पे है? hundreds के पास, right? Sorry, hundreds. To write down the spelling of hundreds. Then whenever you are switching over the next number, जब आप next number पे जा रहे हो, that means 4 से आप 5 पे आ गए हो, so you will be putting the sign of plus. हमने addition किया था last time in IUT1, so you will be putting the sign of plus, add. Whenever you are switching to the next number, then you wrote 5. 5 हम न्यूमेरिक लिखेंगे. 5 किधर है? T के नीचे. T means tens. Write down the spelling of tens. 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 Done. Then we are going on the next number. हम 5 से 2 पे जा रहे हैं अब. So which sign we will put? Plus. Then 2 हम ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. And 2 किधर है? Ones. So I wrote ones. Ones की spelling you have to keep it in your mind. What many students are doing, ones की spelling बेटा आप ये वाली लिख रहे हो. ये वंस होता है एक बार की बात, ऐसे वाला है ये वंस अपॉन अ टाइम. आपको ये वाला वंस नहीं लिखना. अगर आप ये लिखोगे तो ये रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, मैम ऐसे रॉन्ग कर देंगी. सो व्हाट स्पेलिंग यू हैव टू यूज? ONES, वंस. पहले आप वन लिखोगे, 1 2 3 वाला वन, ONE वन. देन यू विल बी पुटिंग S, वंस. बहुत इजी स्पेलिंग है. ओके, वंस. प्लीज राइट डाउन. देन आपको एग्जाम में यू हैव टू राइट इन दिस वे. ड्यूरिंग योर एग्जाम्स आपको इस तरह से लिखना है. मैम ने आपको पहले भी बताया था ये UT1 में, एंड अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, इफ यू विल बी राइटिंग इट इन दिस वे, अगर आप ऐसे लिखोगे देन योर मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. एग्जाम में आपको मेंशन होगा कि आपको शॉर्ट में लिखना है एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में, सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन दिस वे, स्पेलिंग वाला पार्ट. If you will do like this, then your marks will be deducted. आपके marks deduct होंगे. I hope you all are doing with me. So the next number is 392. So how will you write, my dear? 3. Where 3 is? It is at hundreds place. 3 hundreds. Then जैसे हम next number पे आएंगे, we will put plus sign. Then we will write 9. Where? Tens. Plus 2 ones. And how you will write in short form? Saransh, don't touch the screen. See how you will write, beta. Place value. We have studied 3. पहले आप first number you will write 3. Then how it is at which place? Hundreds place. How many places are after 3? 2 places, right? Ones, tens. So we will put 2 zeros. 300. Then we will put plus sign. Then 9. How many places? Only one place is after 9. So we will put 1 0. 90 plus 2. If it was 312, अगर ये 312 होता 312, तो हम कैसे लिखते? 300 300s plus 110. हम 110s नहीं लिखेंगे my dear. 110 2 ones. See, 0 भी tens होता है. 0 is also tens. Okay, 0 is also tens. 3 is hundreds. कुछ भी number है. But if it was 1, so we would have put 400. Yes, so you all have copied that. Now coming to the next topic, short form. अभी हमने expanded form किया था, means we wrote that in expanded form. Now we will be writing them in short form. If you want to go in more detail, we have already posted the video in UT1 for the same. So you can switch over that video also. आप वो video भी देख सकते हो. See, very important and very nice point. $400 plus 90 plus 6. So my dear bacha, how we will write that? इसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे? How we will write this? What we have to extract out? We have to take out the first number. See, 4. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Ones, tens, hundreds. So just write down H, T, and O. 4, 400. So 4 is at where? 100. So हम hundreds के नीचे we will write down 4. Formation should be correct. Plus. Plus means next digit, next place. 90. Ones, tens. So tens के नीचे we will write 9. 6 ones. So 6 is at ones place. 496. Next number is, my dear, see, आप always start reading from the right hand. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 3 will be at hundreds place. Okay. See, 0. If it is mentioned 0, or it was also possible that it was 300 plus 8. So leave 0 for now. अभी आप 0 छोड़ दो. Come to this number 8 ones. This is at ones place. So you will write 8 over here. So beta, अब जितना भी place बचा, what is the place left? 0. A tens place is left now. Tens place पे we are not having any number. So we will write 0. What we will write? 0. And see, मैम से अगर ये हो गया है, so we will use eraser. We will use eraser. We will not overwrite on this. हम overwrite नहीं करेंगे. Okay. 308. लाइन से आपको टच करके लिखना है. See, can you see this? आपकी मैथ्स नोटबुक की नीचे वाली लाइन यू आर हैविंग ना बेटा, उससे टच करके इन अ वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन राइटिंग you can leave the lines between two. Then see again, ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds के नीचे you will write 4. Again starting from the right hand, ones, tens. So 5. अभी हमारे पास ones place बचे only. So we will write 0. Please copy down. Please copy this. This is your homework. Put the correct sign. Put the correct sign means, बेटा जो भी नंबर बड़ा होता है उसकी तरफ you have to put the sign. See, there are 3 signs. What are those 3 signs? This one, or this one. Greater than, lesser than, equal to. See, अगर हमें कोई भी number, we have to find that which number is greater. So first of all, we will count the digits of the number. सबसे पहले हम digits count करते हैं. See, 20. How many digits? 2. Ones, tens, 100. 200. How many digits, my dear? 3 digits. Okay. How many digits? 2 digits. So which number will be greater? Can you tell me? 3 digits वाला number will be greater, right? 2 digits is usually smaller. If you are having 2 toffees and your brother is having 3 candies, who is having more? 3 candies, right? So 3 wala is more. So which sign we will put? See, open the mouth towards greater number. And how we will say? We say like 200 is greater than 20. Okay. Similarly, now see, ones, tens, 100. 100. Ones, tens, 100. 510. How many digits? 3. How many digits? 3. That means equal. Both digits are equal. So now how we will decide? We will check the first number, 1 and 5. What comes before? पहले क्या आता है? What comes earlier, 1 or 5? 1 पहले आता है, right? 5 comes after 1. That means 5 is greater. So this number will be greater than this number. So which sign we will put? But beta, ये सब calculations you have to do it in your mind. You have to practice them well. बहुत सारे questions की आपको practice करनी है. Okay, see, 38 and 384. Which is greater number? First of all, you will be counting the number of digits. पहले आप number of digits count करेंगे. Okay. After that, first number. If first number is same, then switch over the second number. If second number is also same, then switch over the third number. And if third number is also equal, that means both the numbers are equal. Divyam, what you are doing? And if both the numbers are equal, then put this sign. Keep on completing your work time to time, as I may ask for any work at any point of time for correction. And again, you'll be getting marks for that. Okay. Now, please, if you're having any problem, please ask, my dear.